up, good people? Huge shout out to Cavalier Ford for allowing me to view the 2023 Ford F-150 Lightning. Today we're introducing the 2023 Ford F-150 Lightning. This particular model wrapped in a rapid red. For the length 232 inches, height 80 inches, you have a wheelbase of 145 inches with a ground clearance of 8.4 inches. This particular model have a dual permanent magnet synchronous battery pack liquid cooled lithium battery pushing out 580 for the instant torque 775 for the MPG highway 63, city 78. Now we're making our way inside the vehicle. We're greeted with gray leather seats. Right here we're looking at a digital gauge. On the left you have your power, on the right you have your MPH, in the middle you have your digital display. Using the buttons on the right side of the steering wheel, you can go through My View, Trip, Truck Info, Towing, and all the other good stuff. On the left side of the steering wheel, you can go through your cruise control setting, volume, voice command. On the right side of the steering wheel, you have your Bluetooth and menu button. On the door panel, you have your standard unlock and lock. Looking down on the door panel, you have your one-touch window control with mirror control. You have your power start stop button, aka your push button start. The buttons right here are your camera view with your parking sensor alongside your hazards light with your traction control. Right here we're looking at a 12-inch touchscreen display with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay running the latest sync. Looking down from the radio, you have your traditional radio shortcuts alongside your dual climate control. You have your 12-volt outlet with your 120-volt outlet. In the cubby area, you have your two USB outlets. You have your shift knob. This particular model is a single speed reduction gear. You have your cup holder area. Now we're making our way inside the center console. Wow, this is pretty deep. We done made our way up to your interior lighting. You have your glove box for extra storage space. Now we're making our way to the back of the vehicle. We are also greeted with gray leather seats. You have your air vents with your USB outlet alongside your 120-volt outlet. You have your cup holder area. We done made our way up to your interior lighting with your coat hanger. Looking down on the door panel, you have your one-touch window control. This particular model is a 5.5 foot standard bed. Once again, huge shout out to Cavalier Ford for allowing me to review the 2023 Ford Lightning. If you need any information about them, I'll leave the link in the description below. Like always, good people, browse the channel, like, subscribe. I look forward to seeing you next video.